Welcome to our MOTOVAN layout, a unique adventure 4x4 sprinter van that accommodates a family of 5 and 4 motorbikes. The garage has an area when you can fully stand upright. It has a custom mounting systems for all the accessories like helmets, protection gear, ramp, pressure washer, boots, fuel canisters. The double extra seat becomes a 6-foot-long bed. Above the garage, there is a king-size loft bed. Kitchen has hot water, deep sink, drawers, microwave, induction cooktop. Kids and your wife can have a nap while you are riding the bike and having fun. Kids can go to competitions and stay overnight. There is enough space for all the equipment and for everybody to sit and sleep.